Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I'm going to take you around a 2021 Forest River Salem 29VBUD. This will be a bunk model, and I'll show you all the new updates with it. So over here you have your oversized compartment door, your magnetic catch. This trailer is solar prepped and backup camera prepped. It does have your electric tongue jack on the front. Also your electric awning. Your LED lights. It's got the new solid steps, outside kitchen. There's a little spray port there, some outside speakers. It's got your rear stabilizer jacks, front stabilizer jacks, and your enclosed underbelly. So this is the new revised version of the 2021. So you get the new upholstery, all the new gray blackout roller shades. And this right here is the Versa Lounge. Right now it's in the L shape formation. Under here you get 3 totes, 2 under the dinette, and then 2 in the back. So with this Versa Lounge, as you can see, normally it's a U-shaped dinette, so you can get this and flip it around, or you can leave it like this, or you can turn it into 2 full-size beds. So across from the couch you get a spot to hang a 55-inch TV, Bluetooth soundbar, fireplace. There's all your kitchen area. This is an Everchill 10.7 refrigerator. It runs on 12 volts and it's full electric. Your pantry. You do get 2 AC units. There's your central, and you get an extra standalone. So this is the Versa bunk room. Right now it's down in the queen bed and your 2 bunks. Both of these bunks will raise up. They're on struts. There you go. And this bed will fold into a couch. Here you are. So across from the couch you can hang maybe a 30-inch TV. This door here is useful for using all this for storage. 2 more totes. Let me show you the bathroom. Big radius corner shower, your sink area, and you get some storage over here. And then for the bedroom, queen size bed, 2 wardrobes, overhead storage, some more storage underneath the bed. You can also access the under storage, and you get a little bonus closet over here. And you get a TV backer for the bedroom. So if you're going to come out and see this trailer, it's the 29VBUD. You can visit us online at rendelrv.com or call us at 903-326-4080.